ready 100%.
4, 3, 2, 1.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado watch, effective until 5 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Kentucky: Franklin, Harrison, Henry, Scott, and Shelby. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damage to Jefferson, Orange, Henry, Scott, and Washington. In the following counties in Kentucky: Breckenridge, Bruin, Hardin, Henry, Jefferson, Meade, Nelson, Oldham, Shelby, Spencer, and Trimble. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.